why we have a patient Ragini here. She's a wonderful patient, all smiling with us. So she came to us with a complaint or other problem that we noticed, that she had a lot of her teeth coming in ectopic positions from the wrong sides, and either we had two choices, either just to let it be and wait for all the permanent teeth to erupt and then remove certain teeth and then realign everything else. But instead we chose to do something called interceptive orthodontics. What is interceptive orthodontics is to kind of intervene in between and make the problem kind of self-sustaining in a way that with the help of an expander that's called Cordelix appliance, we could expand the Ragini's upper jaw by certain millimeters, which gave us enough space to realign everything else. So now we are almost done with that stage. And so Ragini, how was your experience with this expander? How was it? Was it difficult?
Hurt
Okay.
at first, but then it was not.
Now it's absolutely okay, right?
Yeah.
And total for how many months you were wearing this?
4 months.
That's all right. So that's I think good bargain to save with
Yeah.
two set of teeth. And yeah, that's all.